Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a budget using the NerdWallet app step by step. So step 1, download and install the NerdWallet app from the App Store or Play Store, or you can scan their code right here. Step 2, open the app and sign up or log in to your account. Step 3, from the home dashboard, you can tap on My Budget or Budget Setup. Step 4, link your bank accounts and credit cards so NerdWallet can track your spending. Step 5, set your monthly income and choose your budgeting goal: saving, debt payoff, or tracking. Step 6, review and edit the spending categories like rent, groceries, bills, and transportation. Step 7, set limits for each category based on your monthly income. Step 8, tap save and NerdWallet will now monitor your expenses and show your progress. And now you have a working budget inside NerdWallet. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.